Did you know that the super rich added $1.9 trillion in 2020? 2,600 billionaires added $1.3 trillion in 2021. How much did you add to your net worth in 2020 and 2021? Do you know? What investments did you make and what is the investment returns that you've got over the last 2 years? Here are some stats for you. The super rich got rich by investing their money. Where did they invest in? Cryptocurrency gave about an 800% return in 2021. 15 NSE stocks that have given about a 2200% return since March 2020. That means if you invested 1 lakh rupees in March 2020 in these 15 stocks, they would have given you 22 lakhs today. That's a lot of money. How do you invest? What do you invest in? Your asset allocation and more. You have to learn how to research and analyze investments before you put your money down. Don't go by tips. Don't go ask your friend what did he or she invest in. Do your own research. If you are interested in cryptocurrency in Ethereum, go to a16z.com, read everything about cryptocurrency, its utility value, what are the trends, read all the white papers, form your own investment thesis so you have conviction. You should have a clear idea of how much this investment is expected to give you return. Now, we all know we can't predict the future. There is no crystal ball. But shouldn't you at least have an expected outcome for the money that you are putting in? So having a clear point of view when you are making an investment is extremely important. If you want to learn how to invest in stocks, startups, cryptocurrency, gold, real estate, I have launched a 90-day Get Financial Freedom Bootcamp that starts this Sunday. It's a 12-week program where you get on top of your personal finances. You learn how to invest. You learn how to manage your personal finances. You get to interact with like-minded people and with investors and certified financial experts as well. So if you are interested, go to dasar.in and join us because we begin on this Sunday, that is 2 days from now. The next part I want to talk about is financial goals. How do you set financial goals? Based on your financial goals, you should be making an investment in relevant asset class. Some of the most common financial goals are owning a home, making sure secure your future through an emergency fund, taking care of your kids' education, retirement planning, and owning a car, going for international vacations, setting aside a budget for these beautiful devices. Make sure you set your financial goals, have a very clear point of view. Don't change the goalpost often. Otherwise, that will lead to discouragement. That will lead to you not becoming financially independent. Go to dasar.in. Under newsletter, you'll find a very long essay on how can you do annual budgeting, how can you invest, and more. Do you know how many days or weeks from today you're going to be financially independent? Meaning you don't have to work in a job if you don't have to. You're going to get enough money coming in through your investments to take care of your annual expenses, to take care of your investments that you need to make to meet your financial goals. That, according to me, is the pinnacle of personal finance, becoming financially independent and financially free. So if you are interested in joining the program, hop over to dasar.in, subscribe. If you have questions, reach out to me, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon.